everyone! This recipe is very simple and the drink is refreshing. For 2 servings, I have used 2 passion fruits. You can either cut it into halves or cut it like the way I have, that is the top portion. This will prevent extra liquids from spilling out. And scrape out the pulp along with the seeds using a spoon. The pulp can be eaten along with the seeds straight out of the fruit too. Now add the pulp along with the seeds into a blender. Then add water that is 3 times the amount of the pulp, that is approximately half a glass of water. Now blend the mixture, but make sure that the seeds aren't crushed completely. Once done, we will strain the mixture to separate the seeds from the juice. Also, have you checked out my Instagram page? If you haven't, go check it out for some amazing reels. The link is in the description. Now, divide the strained juice equally into 2 glasses. Then add a tablespoon of sugar into each glass and stir it well. The amount of sugar varies on the sweetness of the fruit. Riper the fruit, sweeter the taste. So make sure to taste it and then add sugar according to your taste. Then add a glass of water each into both the glasses. You can relish your drink just like this, or you can add some seeds into it. I am adding few seeds into it. These seeds are crunchy and can be eaten just like that. Your refreshing drink is now ready to be served. Enjoy!